Open Chartbuddy in Google Slides, pick a chart type, and it drops right onto your slide. Enter your values. The chart updates in real time. Transpose rows and columns with one click. Adjust data labels, colors, and styling to match your brand, your preferences, or the data. Let's move to the vertical axis. Add an axis title. Adjust formatting and optimize the view by toggling the axis height. Same for the horizontal axis. Add a title and align formatting. Lastly, the main title. Let's bold it. There are various options for annotations. Test alternative chart types that might better reflect the dataset. Data and styling carry over automatically. Connect the chart to a Google Sheet for recurring reports. The chart reflects changes in the sheet immediately. Ready to share. After saving, anyone can view the PNG, and colleagues with Chartbuddy can pick up right where you left off.